What's up guys? So today not only are we bringing another banger hairstyle, something that lines up perfectly with this upcoming season, but you're also going to be seeing the pure health transforming magic that cloud control can bring to drier hair types. In the chair today, we've got Jackson Rathbone, who famously played Jasper Hale in Twilight. He was one of them vampire boys back in the day. And of course, our favorite spiffiest dressed barber, Rikki Hixx. If you want to check either of these guys out, I've got them linked down below. Alright, so we're keeping it trendy with the longer sides and back. All Rikki is doing here is cleaning up the length just a little and hitting the edges with the razor to sharpen things up. We're still going to have plenty of length to play with and add to that casually cool vibe. Perfect for fall, winter 2019. So I've dedicated a good amount of this video to the styling so you could really see the magic taking place. Jackson came in with a thick, full head of hair, but it was a little dry with flyaways, and I really want you to see how healthy and under control the final result is. A big reason for this is the very healthy cloud control hair oil added as a part of the pre-styling process. Next up, you've seen it teased a few times here and there, I'm sure, but yes, your eyes are not playing tricks on you. That is a mini version of original. It's actually part of a bigger pack we're calling the Discovery Kit. The Discovery Kit is launching soon, and it's the perfect way for you guys to try out any of our styling products and or take with you on the go when you need a smaller size to throw in the bag. The kit comes with all 5 of our hair products in a nice and tidy package, and in terms of release date, well, you're gonna just have to stick around and see, but I can promise you that it's happening soon. As for the blow drying, Rikki is building in some classic volume to really get that modern take on that Elvis style pomp. Oh, and there it is, the Discovery Kit in all of its glory, and the product that we're using to close out this hairstyle is MONARCH Matte Paste. Perfectly light yet controlling with a decent hold to keep your volume rocking high and hair in place. Guys, this is the result. Jackson's leaving the salon with a sick looking hairstyle that not only looks well styled, but looks so healthy and tame. He may have come in with a bit of frizz, but he's leaving with a healthy looking volumized pomp.